Hi, you guys, and welcome to week 9. You just had your exam, and I'm a little disappointed in the mean. The mean was low, yeah, lower than usual. And when I removed, there were a couple grades that were in the 30s and in the low 40%. That's very low. When I removed those very low grades, then the mean was at a low 70, very low, just barely at 70. And that's considered low for this class. So I don't know how to just keep telling you that I'm not making these exams harder. It's just the material gets harder. And I think Adam has told you that also in if you've gone to the SI sessions. It's just that the complexity increases in physiology because first you're learning the very basics of how things move from one cell to the other, and then you're actually putting it into systems, and it becomes more complex, and it's going to continue to become more complex. So you have to be putting in the time for this. You have to be coming to SI sessions if you don't understand. There is tutoring if you don't understand, but just sort of hoping for the best is not going to work. And this online format really hurts us all. It's not perfect, it's not great, but it's what we have right now. But it takes an incredible amount of discipline on the part of the student. Mine also, that I have all the material for you there. But you're not watching somebody else next to you that's ahead or just did an assignment that you didn't finish. You're not seeing any of that. You're isolated. And so it's easy to think that you might be doing fine when actually you're not. So the reason that those study guides are there is because you have to understand that. You have to go through those levels of comprehension, hearing it once and knowing, I sort of got that. Hearing it again and saying, well, now I think I got it. And then hearing it again and saying, well, now I can say it. Now I really know what it is. And so it takes time. That's all I can say. And I know that people are very busy and have other things that are going on in your lives, but it's intense. It's time that you need to put into it. So let's see if we can achieve that here on the next test. What we're starting is cardio right now. I think that's a little more tangible for you when you're thinking of the heart. Is it contracting faster? Is it slower? What's affecting it? How does it work? So there's that factor that's going to make it somewhat easier to comprehend right from the start. But there's a lot of material in it also. And so I really want you to stick with this and work through it, and it takes a village. So if you can't do it alone, it's totally understandable. You need to reach out. So please take those steps so that we can be successful in a course like this. Okay, you guys, have a good week.